Hey, welcome guys. My name is Shay from dreamhomebasedwork.com. Thank you guys for tuning in to my video today. If you missed my last video update, I shared some really awesome fitness apps that pay you to work out. Those apps are completely free to download, so feel free to check out the video before, and I'll leave a link in my description box below for those who missed it. So in today's video, I wanted to also share another way that you guys can be able to make extra money in your spare time and pretty much kind of launch into your own, it's like your own business in a way, to get paid to sell t-shirt designs. Now, in order to really make money as a t-shirt designer, you must be, first of all, very passionate about designing. Also, you must be very creative with your words. If you are kind of stuck where you're like, okay, where do I even get started? I have these great ideas that I want to put on a t-shirt, but I have no idea where to start. I would first recommend a site that I've used for over 3 years called Fiverr, which is spelled Fiverr.com. This site is really great for finding people from not only in the US, but across seas that will put your imaginations together and design you a t-shirt for really low out-of-pocket costs. You can find some really good designers, high-rated designers that's been working on Fiverr, that's known for not only designing t-shirts but designing logos, putting together flyers, banners, and they can pretty much handle a lot of your marketing material as well. If you want to get your t-shirts designs out there in the open. Fiverr is really awesome, so I'll make sure to leave a direct link to their website in my description box below. Once you have your t-shirt design together, I am sure many of you are wondering, okay, where would I sell these t-shirt designs? So in today's video, I want to cover several platforms you can use to just upload your t-shirt design, and they will handle the shipping as well as the payment process from those who come onto the site and purchase your t-shirt. So it really helps the process navigate very smoothly, where you don't have to manage a lot of the product and keep a lot of product on stock in your home and then have to ship it out to customers. So if you're interested in getting paid to sell t-shirt designs, keep watching to learn more. The first company I want to share with you is T-Mill. T-Mill allows you to, it provides a platform for you to sell your t-shirts and earn a profit. All you need to do is register, set up your store, create your designs, and start selling. T-Mill handles all of the shipping and delivery for you, and at the end of each transaction, the profit is sent to your account for you to cash out. And this site is really easy to use, so you can go ahead and click the Get Started Now button, or you can learn more about T-Mill and their platform, just to be comfortable with selling t-shirts online. The next site is Teespring. Teespring is another platform that allows you to create and sell your t-shirts online. All you need to do is set your price and tell your friends about it. As long as you get pre-orders, Teespring will print the shirts and ship the shirts for you. The interesting part about this particular site is you get to keep all of your profits. So that is really awesome for those that do not want to split some of their profit with the platform itself. And this site is not limited to certain countries. You can sign up and start designing and selling your t-shirts from anywhere. All you will need is a PayPal account in order to receive your payments. So if you would like to design your own products, Teespring makes it easy to create, sell, and order custom products. You can start designing your products, or you can actually sell your t-shirts. And you can click this link right here to go ahead and get started with designing your own products. Now, I do highly urge you to browse through the website just so you can get an idea to learn how Teespring works. If you have a new product idea that you would like to launch out, you can actually message them in, and they will advise you on some things that you can do to get started. sellmytees.com is another platform that allows you to sell your own t-shirt designs online. Sell My Tees offers the free and paid options for its users. Now you can simply go right here to get started selling your own product. They have the free account option. You are limited to a certain things. You only get 20 product displays. You get one store. There's no transaction fee, and they have all of the features that come with that. The free account, and then also you can have the option of paying $19 per month to get more features added. You get a custom URL, which is a custom website, domain name for your store. You also get to customize how your store looks. So definitely browse through the site, just get familiar with how their platform is set up, and then choose the best package to get started. The next platform is TeePublic, tpublic.com. They are open worldwide to users that would like to sell their own t-shirts designs online. All you have to do is create and design your item, also promote them, and TeePublic allows you to sell all of your designs for $14 during the first 3 days, and then you can adjust the price that you would like to sell your items for. Now there is a commission form for each transaction that is accumulated, and then payments are sent to you by your preferred payment method. So since this site is available to multiple countries, I'm sure they have more than just PayPal available for those that would like to sell their t-shirts online. Zazzle.com is another popular online platform that allows you to sell your own t-shirts. Now, as you can see on this site, not only can you sell t-shirts, but you can sell a wide variety of different things. You can customize and sell your own invitations, cards, clothing, home and living products, electronics, baby and kids products, arts, and so forth. You will then be required to design your artwork. You can use Zazzle's site designer, or you can upload your own design. This artwork is then placed on a t-shirt. It can be placed on mugs, coffee mugs, posters, calendars, and so forth. So I do highly recommend that you check out this website. You can click this link right here to create your own and get started. If you are interested in selling your own t-shirt designs, definitely check out the remaining companies below. Enjoy!